Have you ever considered how important it is to constantly keep an eye on your production site? That's why at Mitsubishi Electric, we give you full insight into your production line, not only when you are on site, but also when you are off site. How do we do it? For example, with the use of this mobile application. It provides you with all the important data about your ongoing manufacturing process wherever you are. If your monitoring system is based on cloud technology, you can access all crucial information about your robots and other devices on your factory floor from anywhere in the world. But don't worry, you don't need to check the status of your site the whole time. If something worrying happens, the application automatically sends you a detailed notification right away. Therefore, you can enjoy your days off-site without worrying about production fluency ever again. Thanks for today, and see you next time.